Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, one of the viewers have sent me something pretty interesting, and this is the Telex 850. A Telex 850 is an aviation headset and it's usually standard issue across many airlines. One of these things can go up to, at least $1,000 each, and this model, the 850, is an active noise reduction headset, meaning it cancels out sound from commercial aircraft so that when the pilots are using it, they do not hear the engine and environmental noise. There is a 750 model, and that does not come with the active noise reduction. But regardless, there is one common weakness in the Telex 850 and the 750. Now, despite its price, the Telex is notorious for breaking at this joint right here, and I'm going to show you how to fix it.
Now, I've been talking a lot about memberships, and did you know you can only join this secret group after hitting the subscribe button? You'll get a link to join to get more videos just like this one.
See, this guy who sent this in has probably done a few modifications. He added a headband and changed the rubber, the ear pads, but these do not come with the headset. I know a caveat here is that these are FAA regulated equipment, and it should only be repaired by a licensed professional or a licensed repair center. This video is just in case you want to DIY, and I'm going to show you how.
And with that out of the way, let's learn.
Visit this link up here to get some spares. They will ship it right across the world to your doorstep. I've got mine right here. I'm going to open it up. First, what you want to do is take out the ear pads and pull them right off. And then this disc has two clips right on the side. You get something like a small screwdriver. Lift each one gently. Now I brought you guys in for a closer look right here. Before you remove this, there is a couple of clips, right here and here that you have to remove. So just lift them up gently. You don't want to break them from the back with a small screwdriver. This one over here as well. And you turn, and this part should come right off. It's a bit of electronics over here. There is a little ring, and then as you turn it around, there's a little hole at the corner, and that's where you put in the screwdriver to open up the catch. Might need a very, very small screwdriver like I have here. So you're able to reach down and just lift it up. You can see it opening up. There you go. See? So if you're doing electronics, it's really handy to have some pry tools like this. I put a link up here where you can get these tools. So you lift them up gently, just make sure the catch is open, like so. I've got one of these shims that goes there, and then one of these I can work my way around really nicely. And that opens up as well. So as you can see, this and this are soldered together and that has to come off. Alright, I've got my soldering iron right there. And then I'm just going to take off these wires. There we go. And this whole assembly should come apart. Just remember which way it goes in. I'm going to put them down like that. This is the broken assembly. As you can see, this guy tried gluing it back together again. And then we're just going to put in the new one. This is the front and this is the back. Okay, now I got a new one here. Compare the clips on top to, to see which way it goes in. So this part here, this is the back. Okay, this is the front. So it goes in this way. Simply clips on. Then the ring goes back, flat part up. And now we reattach the wires. That's one. And that's two. And once that is done, you can put everything back together again. If all goes well, this should fit back. There you go. And there you go. To all you aviators out there, thank you so much for keeping our skies safe, and thanks for watching.